Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got two motor shafts, one standard, one more efficient. They're both 76 horsepower. One is 92% efficient, another one is 96.5 efficient. We want to find the difference in the heat transfer rate, which is capital Q dot. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a motor shaft. It is rotating, and we want to find the difference in the heat transfer rate between the standard and efficient. Okay, so heat transfer rate, meaning when the motor rotates and spins, it's going to heat up. So we want to find out what's the difference in the shafts that can allow greater difference in transferring the heat away. Okay. So step 2, list all the given variables and find the unknown. Here's the two efficiencies, 92 and 96.5 respectively. Both the shafts are 76 horsepower. Step 3, find the heat transfer reduction formula. So we have the power of the standard electric motor shaft, and you subtract the efficient one. So step 4, find the formula for the standard, which will actually be the efficient one because they share the same formula. So it is the power of the shaft divided by the efficiency. So step 5, find the power of the electrical motor shaft for the standard. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts for mechanical, and that is the imperial unit. Okay, so we have 76 horsepower multiplied by 746 watts, and then divide by 0.92 or 92%. That will give you 61,626.1 watts. Step 6, we find the formula for the efficient motor shaft. So once again, it's the same. And step 7, we just plug and play once again. So only the efficiency changes. So that will give us 58,752.33 watts. I suppose we can round that to 1 decimal place to make it consistent. Okay, step 8. Now we can find the heat transfer rate of the reduction. So the heat transfer rate is the standard minus the efficient, so that's 61,626.1 watts minus 58,752.3 watts. So the difference in the heat transfer rate reduction is 2,873.8 watts. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.